my Kagome Inuyasha inspired makeup tutorial. Now this is going to be my go-to anime style type of makeup look. Every time I do an anime cos test or cosplay, this is my go-to makeup, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. But first I wanted to unbox with you guys the Otaku Box. I finally got my Otaku Box in the mail, and I thought it would be fun, since we are doing an anime tutorial, to show you guys what I got in my Otaku Box, since this is an anime makeup tutorial. And for all you anime lovers out there, this is a box that comes with a lot of fan service art, like figures and a lot like t-shirts, and I'll show you what I got in my box. Each box comes with 4 to 6 items, sometimes a little more, and it comes with a t-shirt, wall art, and a figure. A lot of them are exclusives. Also, one of the best parts I think is that you get to vote for the anime loot you want if you go on the website. Fans vote, and it's really all about the fans, which I think is the best part. So this month's box was very High School DxD. This box right here has a bunch of High School DxD art, and this was really cool because mine was a size small because that's the way I ordered it, but like that, it was very cute. It's gonna be big on me, but it's gonna be good for sleeping. Also, I forgot to mention that in your box it shows you everything that it comes with, all the exclusives and what is inside of the box. Another thing that came in here is a Sword Art Online portable charger. Look at how cool that is. And this is how it looks on the back. Then we have a My Hero Academia plushie, and we have a Black Clover pin. Look at how beautiful she is. And then, like the t-shirt, we have the wall art right here. Waifu cards, like so holographics. Look at that. We have some cute chopsticks and more these are pop-ups for your phones, and it has like your waifus on there. I think I see Rias there. And this was this month's vote for the waifu. That's a Devil Rias. I mean, she is a devil already, but like, look at how she looks. This is super cute. I absolutely love it. It does come with a stand. This is how she looks. She looks amazing. This is all a ton of really great anime loot if you're into anime. And also, what I wanted to say was, I wanted you guys to check out Ecchi Art. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, I talk about Ecchi Art a lot. It's a great subscription, and it comes with a digital magazine, and the magazine has over 100 pages of exclusive content like anime and really great ecchi photos. And some of the models, kind of like me and the Puri Puri squad, they all have exclusive photo shoots that you won't be able to see anywhere else. It's only for the magazine. So we already have our 4th edition out. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to link that down below. It's amazing. You can't find that stuff anywhere else. I'm talking about original manga and just really great exclusive content. But anyways, I'll stop talking now, and I'll show you how I got this Kagome inspired makeup look. Now, the first thing I do, of course, foundation. Usually with cosplay and anime looks, I use a kind of porcelain shade, but also it has to go with your skin tone. And I don't tan or anything, so my face is pretty pale. The thing that gets a little tan are my shoulders. So if I am wearing something that is exposing my shoulders, I will just stick to what is the color of my shoulders. I just wanted to put that out there. I don't know, that's just what I do. Then I take this LA Girl concealer. I like this concealer a lot. It's been working really well for me. This is the first time I've tried this concealer. It's great for cosplay, because if you do want to contour and get more in depth with actually trying to look like the character, that's what you do. I am not transforming into the characters, kind of like, you know, cosplay. That's what cosplay is. You don't have to necessarily look like the character. You just want to be, you just turn into them because you feel that way. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of a weird concept, but I don't want anyone ever to feel like you can't be a character based on who they are, who you are, how they look. You can do it your way, however you want. But this is my go-to anime style makeup. I am filling in my brows here, kind of a dark brown color because she has dark brows. And I'm going to take this almond satin quad eyeshadow palette. Not quad, I don't know what it is, but I use this middle shade right here, and this is just going to give you a light wash on the eyes. This is super easy, so if you came here expecting an easy tutorial, you're in luck. So obviously you're just going to want to cover your eyes with that color, and then I just take the slightest touch of this taupe color. This is just going to give you a little bit more definition in the crease. Also guys, these amazing contact lenses are from Pinky Paradise. They are so cool. These are one of the coolest brown circle lenses I've ever owned, and they're really comfortable. So I'm going to leave that linked down below in case you are interested. Also, I am using this NYX liquid liner for my waterline because when doing anime, I'm not going to give myself true anime eyes. This is just what I do to enhance like a doll shaped effect. So this is what I do every single time, and then I'll go in with a liquid eyeliner. Sometimes I go a little heavier with the wing, and then sometimes I go more natural. Now for Kagome, I went a little more natural, and when I do like high school DxD looks or anybody else, I will go heavier with the wing because it's more of an adult cartoon, more adult characters, if you know what I mean. So I am coating my top and bottom lashes with lots of mascara. You want to make sure you coat your bottom lashes very well, and if you don't have long bottom lashes, then go ahead and put in some fake lashes on the bottom. Then I like to use a bright pink blush. I'm using the color called Tea Rose from Milani. As you can tell, super simple in the eyes, but we do have something missing. Clearly we need to put lashes on. So once we're done with this pink blush all over the face, I'm going to take these lashes right here. I think I got these from some type of Japanese store. Like I have a Japanese store here in Texas, in San Antonio, and I go there to pick up these lashes. So, but they do have these on Amazon and a few other websites. Then I am lining my lips with the color called Boldly Bare by MAC, and then with using a pink lipstick. It's called Matte Beauty by Clinique, and that is it. A lot of the times you don't need to put lipstick on anime characters because they don't have lips, but that's totally not me. And if you don't want to, you can skip that step, but this is how I get my typical anime makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.